Welcome to Starbucks English Cafe. I hope you get a little bit of a touch of my classroom and everything that I have learned about private and public schools as far as legal advocacy and advocating for my students. Enjoy. Religious freedom, public versus private schools. Public schools should welcome students for all faith and beliefs, but ensure the environment is religiously neutral. Teachers may talk about religion if it's a part of the curriculum or history. However, the 10 Commandments cannot be displayed. McCarthy talks about posting the commandments can confuse the kids to believe that it is the way to follow behavior because the teachers are viewed as authoritative figures. The First Amendment, Congress shall make no law respecting the establishment of religion. Although the U.S. Supreme Court clearly outlines that the Constitution prohibits public school-sponsored prayer, there still exist several violations. The Free Exercise Clause protects individual rights to freely practice their religion. The Establishment Clause ensures no state-sponsored religion, no preference of one faith over the other. The Lemon Test was established to determine if a practice violates the Establishment Clause. A house maintains separation of church and state and protects the rights of citizens. Discrimination in employment. Private schools have flexibility to not abide by certain federal laws such as Equal Pay, Rehabilitation Act, Americans with Disabilities Act, and an Age Discrimination Act. Individuals with Disabilities Education Act are students aged 3 to 21 who qualify under the IDEA are eligible to receive free and appropriate public education, also known as FAPE. Students with disabilities, Catholic versus public. In a private school, Section 504 only requires certain minor adjustments and reasonable accommodations to their programs for students with disabilities. However, in a public school, it must provide students with a reasonable accommodations to assist him or her in a general education classroom. Public school plans, such as the IEP Section 504 or ISP, can be helpful to gathering information about the student. However, those reflect what the public school promises to do for the student and do not create a duty or require action by the private school. In private school, we use such thing called the STEP program. I would like now to talk about our Catholic social justice teaching and going beyond the laws in our school. Every year, the Activist Wax Museum project in 6th grade allows students to research, write, and portray an activist who has fought for human rights, dignity, and equality. These activists had the courage to speak up for social justice while promoting morality, compassion, and kindness. Students spend about a month learning about these important people and learning that they themselves can be world changers. One of the best things that we have in our schools are student council kids advocating for our students who lead with compassion, humility, and innovation. I love being able to be a part of this team conducted by 13 students who serve with kindness, and they do everything in their power to listen to our students from TK all the way to 8th grade and integrate activities that everyone is happy with. Student Council does such a great job working together and organizing yearly activities such as a Pinkathon, Community Circle, Spirit Week, morning assemblies, and any other event that is thrown at Student Council and I. We always find a way to incorporate innovation and really looking back at the memories made. The staff and the faculty are always amazed on how they lead the school, and other people that come and see our school are very pleased to see that every activity is student-led. I love being able to plan school activities with them, but most importantly, seeing how much energy, dedication, and creativity they have. They love Our Lady of the Rosary, and their enthusiasm is contagious. I am blessed to be able to advocate with them.